Hey there, welcome to Hooked on Fishing Bass Charters. This is your guide, Mark Spencer. Today we're heading out onto a small lake right here in central Florida that we do quite a few of our trips on. And boy, the fishing's been real good out here. We've been catching a lot of fish and a lot of big fish. So we're hoping today's gonna be the same. And hopefully we'll get a few of these big fish catches on video. So stay tuned. At Hooked on Fishing Bass Charters, we truly enjoy every sunrise. No two are ever the same. We also truly enjoy all wildlife encounters. Pelicans and bald eagles are always some of our favorites. There's a good chance you will experience an encounter like these on your trip. Well, of course we didn't have a camera running on that one, which is unfortunate. But I'd say it's a pretty good first fish. Hooked well. Alright, it's about a 4 3/4 pounder right there. A little skinny in the tail, but we'll get that back and keep searching. Seen that one on the old active target too, right out in front of us. Just couldn't handle the old Magnum trick worm twitching in his face. So won't be long before we get another bite. Oh, here we go. One got it. That's a pretty good one. Be about a 3-pounder there. I don't know if the camera got that jump or not. Not quite 3 pounds. Alright, ain't a bad second fish, just a matter of minutes later. Sun's just coming up back there behind us over Orlando. Well, this one really got it. Go. Stay right after him here. The bite window out here this time of year is relatively short. We got usually the first hour and a half in the morning to really take advantage of that good bite. then it can get tough. Important to catch them early. A good group of them in this area right here. Oh, God. Oh. Broke off. No, got my worm. Thought it broke off, got my worm. How about that? It's okay. It was swimming right at me. I could not catch up to it. Could not catch up to it. There we go. Fish on. Feels big. Jump. Good fish. Good fish. Yeah, you got it. Funny. Don't feel very big. You're off. Oh, still. Good one. It's a good one. Boy, he really had some line on it. Oh, yeah, good fish. Good fish. Trying to get me in the grass. Trying to get me in the trolling motor now. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Alright, there we go. Solid little fish. Not that great big one we're looking for, but so right now we're just spot locked, fan casting out here off the eelgrass edges and clumps, and these fish are just mixed in here. Some of them are deep in the grass, some of them are out off the edges. Fish one spot, 5-10 minutes or so, and then we'll just continue to move along. Try to land on that area that has a good concentration so we can catch a few in a row. There's a bite. There's a bite. Fish on. Feels pretty good. Jump. Oh. Not ready yet. Oh, that's a pretty good one there. Pretty good one there. Quality fish. Get the line off it. Just another real good quality fish, almost 4-pounder. Back on in. It's definitely a good population of nice fish right here in this offshore vegetation. So I like to throw this Texas rig on my spinning gear. We're not using a real heavy weight at all, just a 8 ounce. And I find I just get a little bit better feel with this. And you know, we're using a medium heavy 7-1, 28 pound braid to a 15 pound fluorocarbon leader. So, you know, hooking big fish, keeping them on is no problem. But, I like to keep the drag a little light. I found that you know, I lose less fish that way, less break-offs, and certainly less fish just pulling off due to maybe not having a real good hook set, maybe just a skin hook or just you know, barely corner the mouth, and it just allows them to run, keeps them on, and just seems to work best for me. Here's another one, moving right at me. There we go. Another 3-pound fish right there. I can keep it out of the trolling motor. This water's so clear, you can see way down there, and their boy's got me back underneath the boat now. Them all day right there. This quality has just been incredible for the average size fish. Got water temperature 87.4, and that's only going to continue to climb down here in the summer. It'll get probably make 90 mid-August, and the bite gets real tough down here then. Big bite, big bite. Oh, missed it. Had me around the grass. Couldn't get a good hook set. Yeah, that was a big one. I can tell, just tell. Well, I don't think I ever got a hook into it, so maybe we get it to bite again. Oh, here we go. Go. That's a good one. I don't know if it's the one that I just had, but we'll take it. Sure. Good quality fish. A lot of fun. 2 3/4 pound fish. A lot of fun catch. Catching them one right after the other. Shook my worm off. Do go through a lot of worms, that's for sure. This spot right here has got like a perfect edge and a point. It's like a 90-degree angle right here. This grass goes out. Oh, there's another bite. There's a bite. That feels like a good one there. Got me in the grass. So we are utilizing our active target 2 here, but catching a lot of these fish just cast in this scattered eelgrass edges out offshore and 10 to 15 feet of water. So a lot of these fish we're not actually seeing. But there are schools swimming around out off the edge. And those schools are usually 4, 5, 6 pounders grouped up in 4 to 6 fish. So we're keeping an eye out for them swimming out off the edges of the grass. Here we go. Bite. Shine. Looks like another good one. About to find out. Here it comes. Oh my God, it's giant. Holy cow. I hope that got on video. That thing just tail walked 15 feet across the surface of the lake. That was incredible. Oh. Okay, yep, that's what we're after right there. I've never seen one do that. Not quite like that before. Yeah, that was something right there. Absolutely choked that trick worm. Well, we're well on our way to a 20-pound bag here in the first 15 minutes. So get right back out there. Just looking for that true giant here, catching a lot of 4 to 6 pound fish, which is super hard to complain about. Just been missing that one great big bite, which we had and lost there a couple days ago. So. Oh no! Oh, dude, all I had to do was say, please stay on. It's the stupidest thing ever to say. 10 pounder, probably. 10 pounder. Last 10 pounder I had on, I lost about 3 months ago. My God. Okay, here we go, another bite. This one, decent fish. Not a great big one we're looking for, but. Solid 2 1/4 pound fish there. So all these fish here, these fish are in the grass on this eelgrass edge. We can't see any of these on the active target. We need ourselves a new worm here after one more fish. Pretty much impossible to beat big worm fishing Florida summers around some grass. Big old carp back sticking out of the water up there. See its dorsal fin and its tail fin. Yeah, if you didn't know any better, you might think one of those things was a shark out here swimming around. You get about 40 pounds out here. It's been a little while without a bite here. Oh, here we go. Right on cue. About that. You gotta do is ask for one sometimes. Oh! 4-pounder, another 4-pounder. Sometimes you gotta do is just ask for one. Too big to boat flip. We better get the net here. There we go. Yep. Another one of them right ones. Okay. There, shook my worm off. That's fine. We need a new one anyways. Quality fat fish. Really eating up out here on threadfin shad, and there's a bunch of bluegill out here that they're also feeding up on. Have this bluegill swimbait ready to go, which we have been catching some nice fish on as well. And this has got an open hook on it, so can't fire this one right out into the grass. But when we see them out off the edges and them groups, the big ones like to eat that. So it's ready to go when the time comes. Big one. Big head. Bluegill Swimbait, absolutely crushed it. Here we go. Right under us. All fish. Might slow down a little bit anyways. The last couple fish have been smaller fish, so need to get back on that better quality we're looking for. And we still got some time, so keep fishing grass edges and keep searching around for them. Oh, it feels big. This feels like a great big one. Oh! That fish just jumped 3.5 feet out of the water. It's about a 6-pounder. That was crazy. Oh no, we got me in the grass. Got me in the grass finally. Oh, I'm gonna lose this fish. Coming out. It's loose. There we go. Pretty good fish. Pretty good fish. Right now I'm just kind of scoping this flat out off the grass edge, just seeing if we can see anything big out here. Swimming around, chasing some bait. You know, on occasion you'll find a group of those good ones out here. So it's pretty amazing how well you can see these fish. You know, if they're not too far in the grass, how well you can actually still see them on this active target too. We got a giant on. Please stay on. Oh my god. My net's way in the back again. Let's go. Let's go. Got that one on the active target. Right out in front of us. I did not think that was a bass. Did not look that big on the screen. That's what we're after right there. It is a almost 7-pound fish. Certainly 6.5. Right in the top of the mouth. Looked absolutely perfect. Alright, well that was exciting. I wish I would have had that one from the start, but that's the way it goes sometimes. All right, let's get a good release on this one. That's what we're out here for. Beautiful. That one ran some crazy line on me. I gotta get my net. Well, unfortunately, we didn't have the camera rolling for this one. We wouldn't have got it real good anyways. We got to cast him back behind the boat, but that fish there is going to round out our 20+ pound limit for our 5 fish today. It's just about 6-pounder. So, pretty good way to close out the day right there. And we'll get this fish back. Well, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here. We're going to make one final cast. And man, for 2 hours of fishing time, can't really ask for much more. Our best 5 fish went over 20 pounds, and we probably caught, I'd say about 15 fish overall. So, pretty exceptional short morning fishing. One thing that would top it off is a 10-pounder on the last cast. There's a bite though. Here's a bite. No way. Is this really going to happen right now? Is this really going to happen? Oh my god, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's not a 10, but it's a big one. What a way to end the day if we can get this thing in. Come on. Go ahead and lift it. My net's way in the back. Come on, stay on there for me. Go. Last cast of the day. Another 5-pounder. What a way to end it. Incredible. Incredible. And what a morning. We're going to go ahead and leave you with that, huh? Fantastic. Alright, back she goes. She caught another day. Well, we did all the damage today. Big worm, zoom trick worm, magnum zoom trick worm. And a couple different colors on that. But that was it. Grass edges, deep offshore grass clumps. That was the key for all the big fish today. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time. Hooked on Fishing Bass Charters accommodates anglers of all experience levels, any age, all year round. To book a trip, call or text 607-382-5138 or visit our website at www.hookedonfishingflorida.com. We look forward to fishing with you.